Hello, my name is Katie, co-founder of Unfold, and welcome to this 10-minute tune-up. Today we're going to explore a relaxation practice called Yoga Nidra, which is a Sanskrit word, and it translates to mean yogic sleep. You'll also hear this practice referred to as conscious relaxation. It's a very therapeutic, restful practice that's designed to systematically relax the 5 different layers of your being. This is guided, and you can do it seated or lying down. The most important thing is that you just feel comfortable and warm, and that you're in a place that you feel you can really relax in order to get the most benefit out of this practice. We're going to begin with some really gentle movement to let go of any tension in the shoulders and in the neck, and then we'll lie down for the practice or stay seated for the practice. Okay, so begin by just doing a few big backward shoulder rolls. A few forward shoulder rolls. And then roll out the neck a few times in each direction. Okay, pause in the center. Easy twist to the right, a couple breaths. And an easy twist to the left. Come on back to center. Interlace your fingers, push the palms forward and up. Take a few big breaths here. And exhale, release, roll out your wrists as you lower your arms. Okay, either lie down on the floor or stay seated comfortably and ground the feet. And close your eyes. Begin by taking a big breath in through your nose, as big as you can. And then let it out through the mouth. We'll do that one more time. Big breath in. Exhale. Start by noticing your body resting and settling into the draw of gravity beneath you. This practice can't be done incorrectly, and there's no real goal. There's nothing really to achieve. The only thing that you need to do is relax and listen to the sound of my voice and let the words guide you. Begin by noticing your breathing. We're going to count backwards on the breath, starting at the number 5 and moving down 1 count with each exhale. Your next exhale is 5. Next exhale, 4. Next exhale, 3. 2. And 1. Feel your body resting and settling into effortless breath. Begin by cultivating a sense of gratitude for everything that's led you up to this point. And bring into your mind's eye an intention or a sankalpa or a resolution that you're working with. And silently state your intention 3 times. If you don't have one, you can simply say something like, I am at peace, or I am at ease. Next, I'm going to name different parts of the body. You don't have to do anything, just bring your awareness to each part as I name it. Bring your attention to your right hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. Your right wrist, elbow, shoulder. Bring your attention to your left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger. your left wrist, elbow, and shoulder. Now bring your attention to your right foot, your right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, your right ankle, knee, and hip. Now bring your awareness to your left foot, your left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, ankle, knee, and hip. Bring your awareness to your spine, your right shoulder blade, your left shoulder blade, your rib cage, your sternum, the right collarbone and the left collarbone, your head, your right ear and your left ear, right eye, left eye, your nose, your mouth, your tongue. Now bring your attention to your heart and sense the quiet, steady beat of your heart. Next, bring your attention to your breathing. Observe your breath moving in and out of your body. Notice as you breathe, your abdomen gently rises and falls with the breath. There's no effort, there's no trying, just easeful, gentle breathing. Practice observing the gentle rise and fall of your belly with each breath. From here, begin to imagine a beach. You're alone on the beach, and it's very beautiful. The sand is white, the sun is bright, and the water is clear. You see seashells, and you begin to walk through the sand towards the water. The water is very pleasant. You see the light glistening on the surface. Sense the water against your skin and the sand beneath your feet. Feel the warm sunlight on your skin. Begin to imagine in the distance you see a boat. And there's an inner knowing that begins to guide you. You walk towards the boat. You wade slowly, easefully, peacefully. And you finally get to the boat and you place your hands on the edge. It's a beautiful old wooden boat. It's strong and sturdy and safe. You step inside the boat and sit down. You close your eyes. Sense the boat gently rocking with the waves. Listen to the breeze. There's nowhere to go. There's nowhere to be. You're completely at peace, sitting in this boat. You're content. Allow yourself to be held and rocked in this boat, in the water, beneath the sky. In this peaceful state, reconnect to your intention, your sankalpa. your purpose. Silently state it to yourself 3 more times. Begin to bring your attention back to your breath and deepen it. Sense your lungs inflating and deflating. Sense the draw of gravity beneath you and begin to notice any outside sounds and visualize the room around you. Take your time, bring some gentle movement back into your body, and when you're ready, slowly open up your eyes. This Yoga Nidra practice has come to a close. Wishing you peace, health, and happiness.